Beans in a pot.
Hey, man.
You forgot. You're supposed to say it with me.
What are we making today, B?
We're making chicken and dumplings. Chicken. Sorry. I go chicken and dumplings.
Wait, hold on. Recipe? I can remember what it was. Hold on, let me do it again. Ready? Today, what are we gonna make, Bailee?
We're making chicken and dumplings.
Chicken. Hey, Moonshines.
Welcome to
Another
Two Bees in a Pod.
So what are we gonna make today, B?
Chicken and dumplings.
Hey, you said it right. We're gonna put a fast spin on a old, delicious recipe that's been around forever. So everybody knows chicken and dumplings is like, you can have it on a winter day, you can have it when you're sick, you can have it literally in the summertime, and it's still delish. So without further ado, let's get to making some chicken and dumplings, kids.
First and foremost, our main ingredient is chicken and dumplings. We don't have any shredded chicken, so we're gonna boil some. This will add about 10 minutes onto our cooking time. To boil the chicken, you're gonna need BUNNIE Xo chicken broth. Pour it in the dish that you're cooking in. Drop 2 chicken bouillon cubes in to add more flavor. Now we're gonna put the chicken in, and we'll come back and check on it in about 15 minutes. Put on the lid and have a pan reach over the stove to turn it on high. First thing you'll need is 2 cartons of BUNNIE Xo chicken broth. Next you're gonna need 2 cans of Campbell's cream of chicken. Third is an optional ingredient, but it's mixed vegetables, carrots, corn, and peas. This adds flavor and color to this delicious recipe. Lastly, my favorite ingredient, you'll need the dumplings, home-style biscuits. These are all the ingredients you will need for this recipe. Now, let's go check on our chicken.
And I'll take the lid off. Have an adult take the lid off, kids.
Yeah.
Looking good. Almost done. Yay.
The chicken's done, so here comes the fun part. We're gonna dump everything in the pot. First we're gonna dump is our BUNNIE Xo chicken broth. Next we're putting in our Campbell's cream of chicken. Stir until mixed. Now we have the chicken. Next comes the veggies. You can add the whole bag or half bag. I'm gonna add the half bag. Now we're gonna make the dumplings with the biscuits. Tear off a small piece, roll it, and drop it in. Once you've reached your desired amount of dumplings, stir together. Now we put the lid on, let simmer for 20 to 25 minutes, and then we'll come back and check on it. The biscuits that are left over, we're gonna put in the oven to put the soup on top of. Looks like it's about done. When the biscuits aren't dough anymore, it's ready to eat. Put 2 biscuits down at the bottom of the bowl and ladle all this goodness right into it. Thanks for watching 2 Bees in a Pod. Like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Just sitting here. You never told me to say anything else, buddy.
What'd you say?
Bully on.
It's a weird word.
It sounds like bully on.
Right. 3.
Hold on. Third thing, now this is optional, mixed fruits and...
No
mixed
fruit.
fruits. No fruit.
No fruit in the chicken and dumplings. Ready? 1, 2.
Lastly, my favorite ingredient, the dumplings. They're home-style...
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get up, kid. Come on.
Chicken. You're gonna need... Cut. espresso. You're gonna
Cut.
cut. I said cut already. What do you not understand about that?